Hello and welcome back to our SOLIDWORKS tutorial series. And in this lecture we are going to start how to use split feature in SOLIDWORKS. Split feature is basically handy when we want to split one body into two bodies. Let's say we have one rectangle and we want this rectangle to turn into two rectangles. It is up to us that if we want to make two similar rectangles, use different rectangles. But for that purpose we can use split feature here. So let me show you how. So let me first make one triangle. We can easily create a triangle here by making the polygon 3. You see, we have created a triangle by clicking on extrude base, and now we have structure like this. So now to use a split feature, that if we want to make two right angle triangles from this one triangle, so to make this I will have to divide the triangle from the center like this. Now it will turn into two right angle triangle. So for that purpose I will just go to insert, go to feature and click on split. By clicking on split, it has already used the sketch tools, added the sketch 4 in the trim tools, and you can see in the blue highlighted that the sketch has been selected. So by clicking on cut part, now you see one is this, we have to check this, we have to check this also. If you want the one body to both bodies to be deleted, then we will click on consume cut bodies. So if we don't want that currently, so I will just click on OK, and now you see here, let me hide this previous sketch, that we have two right angle triangle, and you can see here there is now two bodies. If you hide one body, you see one triangle is now half. So let's say if we don't want only the division in two, we want the division into four part. Then now let's see what happens. It automatically make the four parts here like this. 1 2 3 4 bodies has been generated. Let's say I don't want four bodies, I want these to be separate, this to be similar. So I will just make uncheck this. Now you see that it has been unchecked. Now this will merge and this will not. Okay, now you see, oh sorry, it is a mistake. Yes, we have four bodies here. Sorry, it is not possible like that. In split operation, if we divide it into four regions, then the part will be divided into four regions like this. So that's how we can use split feature in SolidWorks. It is a very handy tool if you want to divide part into four products. And thank you very much for watching this video.